A good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the additional of the Friday edition. Friday, August the 9th, 2024. We have here seven extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the ladder Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 star Sudoku. Two jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it cipher block. In Japanese, Suguru. Last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve this evening. And the first one I will do is the 3-star Sudoku. Well, don't think it's a 3-star Sudoku, because this one has a lot of printed digits. This one has 30 printed digits. 30. And it will be number 9060. Well, I can also choose this one. This one has 2 stars, 26 printed digits. This one 30 printed digits. Well, if this one is an easy one, then next time I will solve the puzzle with the less printed digits. Okay. 3 stars puzzle. I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Well, I don't think it's 3 stars. 3 stars puzzles has 25 printed digits. This one has 5 digits more. I think it's a 0 stars. 0 stars puzzle. 14 or 13 minutes to solve. Alright, so let's get started. 3 missing numbers. This big square. Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 147, 147, 147, 147. Well, need a 7 there, need a 4 there, need a 1 there. Oh, cannot fill this yet. Let me, 5 in this column, 5 in the column next to the last column, the only place left of 5, shoot there. 4, 4. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the second row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. Then there's a lot of 2's. How about the 2 in this row, 2 in the last row? So in the row between, the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the last column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can see digit number 1, number 2, alright. 3 in the first column, 3 in the third column, so the column 3 in the second column, the only place left of 3 should be there. Then, let me see, the 9 in this column, the 9 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left of 9 should be there. 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column, so the first column, the only place left of 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left of 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only place left of 8 should be there. Cannot continue with 8 now, need to wait. How about 5. Yeah. 7, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, 4 is missing, and the 5, and the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3, 4, 7, 3, 4, 7, 3, 4, 7, 3, 4, 7, and look, we have a 3 and a 7 in this row. No 3 and 7 in this box. 3 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there, so 1 is left in this big square on about 4. Now we have 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are, I can remember, the 1 is missing, the 4 is missing, and the 7 is missing. Well, we have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. We have a 7 in that row, no 7 there. The only place level 7 should be there. So the 1 and the 4 are left. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 digit left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. Alright. Well, 5 and 9, 1 and the 4. 2 missing numbers in the middle row. 4 numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 4 in this column. Second column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. No 1 goes there. 4. Okay. Need a 9 there. And now, let me see. I need a 9 there. Okay. Yeah. I need a 5 here. I need a 5 there. How about the 6? Need a 6 there. Need a 6 here. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 4, 6, 8. 4, 6, 8, 4, 6, 8, 4, 6, 8. And look, we have 6 and 8 in this row. No 6 and 8 in this box. 6 and 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here and 8 goes there. So 1 digit left in this column for number 4. 4 in this row. 4 in the last row. So the row between the only place level 4 should be there. 4 in the last column, 4 in that column, so the column between only 2 places left, the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the second row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row, so the first row, the only 2 places left, the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the third column, no 4 there, 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used, I can see. Digit number 2, number 4. Alright. Do we have all the 8s? No. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next, on the last column, the only 2 places left, 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 there, 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used, I can see. Digit number 3, number 8. Alright, then, let me see. 3 and the 2 numbers left in the last column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. We have a 3 in the first row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 1 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the last column, so the column between. The only place left for the 1 should be there. Then, let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in the second column, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. We have a 1 in the last row, no 1 in that box. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above, so that row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column, so the first column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the second row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row, so the first row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the middle column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Then, let me see. And all the ones are used, I can see. This is number 4, number 1. And now, let me see. 2 numbers are left in the first column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 9 in the second row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 5 goes there. 1 box left now in the second row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. Alright. So 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, The 5, the 6, 7 is missing. The 8 and 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 9 in the last row. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and 7 goes down. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the last row. No 7 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 in this big square. Should be there. Then do we have all the 7s? No. 7 in this column. 7 in that column. So the column 3. No, only 2 places left. The 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can't see. Digit number 5, number 7. 1 box left now in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 5 here in the second column. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. The 7, 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 9 in the first row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 6 goes there. 1 box left now in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing now. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing, 3 and the 5, 3 and the 5. We have a 5 in the middle column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there, and the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 3 goes there. 11 minutes. Well, told you, should be a 0 stars. This one, not a 3, not a 2, not a 1. Publisher wrong indication of the difficulty level. Well, next time, if I've a lot of printed digits, I will solve the other one here. This one is 26. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.